here I am in a part exchange graveyard. Hello everybody. Well, today is Thursday and these videos normally go out. I try to get them out every Saturday morning, and I was hoping the next car it was going to be delivered today, but unfortunately it's not. It's going to be here hopefully sometime next week. However, I do have some footage of what it is or where it is, so I'm going to make this a tiny little short video. I'm going to put some content up now that will contain the new car, and we'll play a little bit of a guessing game. I'll pin the top comment, given a selection to choose from, and you can comment which one you think it should be that I'm getting, and then we can see if I disappoint you with the next video. So look where I am. Here I am in a part exchange graveyard. We've got Mercedes, we've got Jaguar, we've got Audi, we've got lots. There you go, there's a Volvo in the corner there. That's a Mitsubishi 7 Series here. Apparently that's a famous 7 Series from telly. There's a 90s Mercedes with a jungle. Someone's vandalised that. These were all taken in part exchange, driven in here, I've been told, and then just, abandoned. Well, not abandoned, somebody owns them. Fiat Coupe there. And a few not very interesting cars. So here are some panoramic shots of the yard. We've got Mercedes there, Land Rovers. We've got some Jaguars. Oh no, not another Jaguar. An Audi in the far corner there. And just in this side of the boat, there's a Volvo and a Mitsubishi. The Mitsubishi was quite interesting. You can see it there next to the Volvo. However, it was very rusty. The interior was mint, but I could almost touch the interior from underneath. It was a 2-litre V6 petrol. Volvo there in the foreground. Some Discoveries. There's the Coupe in the back there. Another Discovery. And that interested me, a Renault Espace for some reason. And here we have another Coupe with a body kit, but no engine. Volvo 440. Peugeot 406. Saab 9-3, I was interested in that. That's a convertible. And then a white Escort with the spoiler, how 90s. Let's see if I can find something in here worth a gamble. Okay, so there we are. That little bit of footage did have the car. It's going to be arriving here next week. So take a look at the comments and put your thought down as to which one I should get, and then we'll see if I've disappointed you or not. So until the next video, take care.